Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 3 BEKG S1 want to present our project based learning entitled Automatic Parking System. The objective of our project is to design a system that can detect any changes of available space of parking space. Second, to design a project based on microprocessor parking system. Third, to design a car parking system that is the payment delay. And lastly, to design a parking system that able to smooth the traffic. The scope of this project is to detect any changes of incoming and outgoing vehicle in order to know the space that available. The push button will not print out the ticket when the parking space already full. Number of incoming and outgoing vehicles will depend on increasing and decreasing of parking space.
The problem statement for this project is car parking can be considered as major downside people face in their daily life. Furthermore, this problem worsened by the increment of vehicles thanks to the straightforward access for vehicles and thus the rapid increase of population. To search for an empty parking lot, people ought to drive around the parking zone continuously to search out for a vacant spot to park their cars. This is often troublesome for some people as this problem not only wasting their time but also wasting their car fuel. So, the aim of this automated parking system that we develop is to let users know whether the parking lot is accessible or not without going into the parking zone. If the parking lot is accessible, the barrier will be open when they push the ticket button. Otherwise, the buzzer will be ring once the user push the ticket button to let them know that the parking is not accessible, meaning that the parking zone is full.
For our project, we considered designing a parking control system. We use integrated development environment software as the software with 68K microprocessor training system and 68K multi-application board as the hardware to show the output. The idea of this project is to use switch as a button to enter the parking slots, motor to open and close the gate of parking slot, and LED indicates the motor forward or reverse. We also use a buzzer to indicate the parking slots are fully occupied.
This is the coding for the automatic parking system.
Next, for the coding system, there is 4 subroutines that is being used in this automatic parking system. The subroutine consists of input, bus, on, and delay. Starting from the first line, there is a coding to declare or configure the output port or the input port. Thus, the switch is the input port, the LED, motor, and buzzer is the output port. Before starting the coding, all data is cleared from the memory. The input subroutine will receive input from switch or else it will keep repeating in the subroutine and nothing happen. When there is input received from the switch, it will compare and decide whether to go to the on subroutine or the bus subroutine. For example, if switch 1 is turned on, it will go to the subroutine on to turn on the motor. However, when re-switch is turned on, it will go to the bus subroutine. Finally, the instruction of braille will return or repeat the operation according to what subroutine being pointed at. Thus, this system will keep returning to input subroutine to determine what is the input from the switches. The delay subroutine will determine the opening and the closing time of the barrier.
The program is executed. The first switch is turned on. The motor will rotate forward and delaying for a few seconds before reversing. and repeat the cycle for a second switch. Once the last switch is turned on, the buzzer will be turned on, indicating that the parking zone is now full.
So, the conclusion of this project-based learning is this car parking system able to diminish upkeep and staffing, the prerequisite for payment dealing with purposes. Besides, this project could smoothen the traffic. Mostly in this project, a systematic error is occurred. In order to reduce this systematic error, a good quality equipment is required. Other than that, we need to calibrate the equipment so that the inaccurate result can be avoided. Apart from that, when creating the coding, a double check is also needed so that the human error can be reduced.